Good morning, students. Hope you are enjoying learning at your places. Since we are unable to meet each other, we are trying our level best to interact with you in all possible ways. So, to revise previous concepts, let's play quiz. Here, the first question is, which type of acceleration is known as retardation? Yes, retardation means the acceleration in opposite direction. That means negative acceleration. So we have selected the option B. Yes, it's correct. Let's move to the second question. I think it is repetition. This acceleration is called as retardation. Again, it is the negative acceleration. Let's submit it. Yes. Third question. What does a horizontal velocity time graph represents? Remember horizontal velocity time graph? Let's see it. Here it is. Here you can see it is parallel to time axis. That means there is no variation of velocity along y-axis. So it is showing no variation in velocity, means velocity is same, constant. So velocity is constant, slope is 0, and hence acceleration is also 0. Let's move to our question. Here, what does horizontal velocity time graph represents? So it represents 0 acceleration. Yes. Now let's move to this next question. SI units of speed. What is the unit of speed? Now, unit of speed is kilometer per second. No, kilometer is not the SI unit. So, it is meter per second. And square doesn't come in the units of speed. It's come in the acceleration. So, we will select meter per second. Yes. Next question. The third equation of motion represents relation between which two parameters? Yes, third equation, remember? But what was that? Let's see. Third equation of motion. Here it is. Third equation of motion, that is 2as equals to v square minus u square. It is position velocity relation. So it is representing the relation between position, that is S, and velocity, that is V and U. So what will be the answer? The answer is third equation of motion represents position and velocity. Let's select it. Yes. So the answer is position velocity relation. Let's submit it. Yes, it's correct. Let's move to the next. Which of these is the second equation of motion? Again, second equation of motion. Second equation of motion is S equals to ut plus half at square, and it is giving us position time relation. Let's move to the question. Second equation of motion is here. Yes, it is C, S equal to ut plus half at square. Yes. Let's move to the next. Which formula represents third equation of motion? We have just seen the third equation of motion. Let's see it again. Third equation of motion is 2as equal to v square minus u square, and it gives position velocity relation. Just memorize this formula and we are going to see which option can be the answer. Here, third equation of motion is v square. If we take this u square to the left side, here it will be minus 2s. So it cannot be the answer. This is not the answer. Now see here, v square equal to u square plus 2as. If we take this u square to the left side, it will be v square minus u square equal to 2as. So it's representing the third equation. Let's move to the next question now. It's correct. A car covers a distance of 80 kilometers in 2 hours. What is its average speed? Yes, remember average speed? It is total distance upon total time. And see the options. We are to find the average speed in meter per second. So let's see how can we do it. Here distance is 80 kilometers, time is 2 hours. We are to calculate the average speed. So we'll use the formula total distance upon total time and we come to the answer 40 kilometers per hour. But we need to convert it into meter per second. So let's convert it into meter per second by multiplying it by the factor 5 by 18. And we get the answer average speed equals to 11.11 meter per second. So the answer is option D. Yes. Let's move to the last question of today's quiz. Which formula is used to find the acceleration of an object from velocity time graph? Yes, remember velocity time graph? Let's see it. Here it is. Now, velocity time graph is showing a straight line AB. This is uniform acceleration and it can be calculated by calculating the slope. And we can calculate the slope from here by perpendicular divided by base. Now here perpendicular BD can be calculated through the velocity axis. Here OA is U and OE, that is BC, it is equal to V. Total is V and this is U. What will be the BD? It will be V minus U. So perpendicular will be V minus U and horizontal line is representing time, so it is T. So slope will be the acceleration and acceleration will be V minus U by T. Perpendicular line is V minus U and here it is T. Let's move to the quiz. Yes. So the option will be for change in velocity divided by time. Yes, this is the answer. Hope you have enjoyed it. Please revise these questions again and write them in your notebooks. Thank you.